Hello children, welcome back to the e-learning class. Children, in the last video, we recited the poem Spring. Today, in this video, you will see explanation of the poem Spring. So let us start. Children, observe the picture carefully. A girl is merrily singing a song. Children, it is a lovely spring day. It has come after a long winter. Colorful flowers can be seen blooming all around. The trees are full of fresh and green leaves. Plants start to flower and young animals are born. There are a lot of animals that hibernate during the winters. In spring season, all these animals wake up after sleeping for so long and start looking for food. So the girl says, I love spring. It is new. Its new blades of grass and its rain on alas. Children, if you visit any garden, you will find everything new in this season. Let us see the second stanza. It's violets and rain, its wood scanted lane. Children, in this season, you can see many flowers bloom. You can smell fragrance of the flowers on a narrow road. Here, the girl, when she is visiting a garden, maybe the girl is in the poem walking on a narrow road where the sandalwood plants are there. And sometimes in this season rain falls. Maybe there is rainfall when she is walking on the narrow road. So she says that it's violets and rain, it's wood scanted lane. Let us go to the next stanza. It's a new bird song, it's a day growing long. Children, it's the time of year when everything in nature is changing and promising a new life and new hope. After the long, dark winter months, spring is literally a breath of fresh air. And as the day gets longer, the nights get shorter, and it starts to feel warmer. Nature responds in a big way. The migrating birds all take flight. You can hear the bird song as you wake. Many birds do breed and lay eggs in spring because it is a special season. Not only does spring have warmer weather and more food than winter, but their babies born in the spring have more time to grow and develop. Let us go to the next stanza. It's flower and a bird and puddles of mud. Children, in this season, trees and bushes begin to grow again and flower in spring. It is the warmer weather and longer daylight that makes it happen. A bird is a tree's way of getting a leaf or flower through the winter. When it's too cold and water is locked up in ice, plants can't grow. Let us see the next stanza. It's birds in a tree and the buzz of a bee. It's kites in the sky, and that's why I love spring. As we learned earlier, many birds migrate Back from their warm winter homes, they build their nets. You can hear the birds singing sweet song. Trees bloom in the spring. Tiny birds appear on tree. Buds open into blossoms and leaves. The grass starts to grow. Plants begin to sprout. Flowers bloom. You can see beautiful butterflies flying around. Bees fly from flower to flower. Chicks hatch from the eggs. You can hear duckling quacking. People start working in the garden. They dig the soil and plant seeds in the ground. Families enjoy picnic in the spring sunshine and children have fun flying a kite. So children, this is how the girl says it's birds in a tree and the buzz of a bee. It's kites in the sky and that's why I love spring. Now children, let us go to the next page, page number 54. I write. Children, question number 1 to question number 4. Read and write the answers of the questions based on your understanding. Do it by your own. Let us go to the next question, question number 5. Read the lines given below and draw what they describe. Children, here are given 4 lines. Read those lines and draw accordingly. Do it by your own. Children, here we will stop. Let us meet in the next video with remaining part. Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching.